Last time we started with vertex form and simplified it to get to standard form. How do we start in standard form and get it to vertex form?
Find H.
Okay, so we're going to have to find what the vertex is first. So when, for these ones where you start with this equation, you're actually going to have to start by finding the vertex and then go back and write it in vertex form. Okay, so to find the vertex,
negative b over 2a.
H is negative b over 2a. So that would be negative 2 over 2 times negative 1/2. That's going to be negative 2 over negative 1, which is positive 2. So that's my H value. Now what?
Plug in 2 for
Okay, so plug 2 back into the equation to find K. So negative 1/2 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 6. Negative 4.
Yeah.
Let me check that for me, but I think negative 4. So that means on that one, which one is this, number 13? My vertex is going to be 2, negative 4. Okay? And I can also do my axis of symmetry right now. What's my axis of symmetry?
It is
X equals
2.
2. You will lose points if you do not include the x equals.
Can you move it up a little bit or down?
Okay. So now let's go back and write it in vertex form. So I would start with y. Y what?
minus 2.
Nope.
plus 4.
Plus 4. Remember, your k value goes first. And if you're doing minus negative 4, that's really going to be a plus. What's my a value going to be?
The 1.
Nope.
No, it's the 1/2.
This. Negative 1/2.
And then it's 2.
X. Plus 2 or minus 2?
Plus. Minus.
Minus. Good.
Minus
And don't forget that needs a square up there. So y plus 4 equals negative 1/2 x minus 2 squared.
It opens down.
Okay. Why does it open down, Austin?
It's negative.
Okay, so that a value, there and there, because it's the same thing. A value is negative, so this must open down. If it's 1/2, is that growing faster or slower than a regular parabola?
Slower.
Slower, so it would be like squished down, so it would be wider than usual. Okay. Now let's find the discriminant. And remember, for the discriminant, we're going to have to go back to our standard form. Okay. So
So this is like 30 questions with everything?
yeah.
Yeah.
So the discriminant, like I said, it's not in a table format tomorrow. It's not like you'll be doing this over and over again like this. But I wanted you to have
I'd rather
like
do that so I know what
practice.
to do. I'd rather be a table.
Okay, discriminant would be b squared, so that'd be 2 squared minus 4 times negative 1/2, whoops, let me do that, times negative 6. That's going to be 4, it's going to be something negative, right? So 2 squared end up with negative 8. Okay, so my discriminant is negative 8. What does that tell me about my roots?
There's no real root.
Right, so I have 0 roots. I guess I should have put real roots, but yep. So a negative discriminant means I have no roots. So then do I have any x-intercepts?
No.
No, so I just don't have to do that box. Okay? If I did have x-intercepts to find, then I would go back and use the whole quadratic formula. Okay, so there's sort of one of each type. I would, like I said, I gave you all of these because I wanted you to practice it over and over and over again until you like knew what to do in your sleep. But I don't want you to spend all your time here. So